Hey, what's up? I'm gonna make a quick video. If you're anything like me, you like to get into the video and see what it's about without all that talk. But before you do that, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. So what this is this is just I'm making this little quick intro. This is gonna be a video about me putting on the Extreme Online body kit onto the vet. I did it before, this was my very first video, so I had the phone turned the wrong way. I don't like it, but it does have some good information, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it together, make a YouTube video, put it out there, and hopefully it helps. If you thinking about ordering that for your car. All right, holler at y'all later. Let's get into it. I figured I'm gonna narrate this, do a little voiceover, all right? Because there's just a couple of things I wanted to explain about the install. This is me just explaining the pieces that I got from Extreme Online. It's just a ZR1 kit, gloss black. I knew it would match and look pretty good. Putting it on was pretty easy. Excuse me, man. All right, this part right here, two-sided tape. It came with two-sided tape, came with the screws that you need, and real good instructions. I don't have any complaints with that part. So it's pretty straightforward. This right here is the extended front splitter. You just put the two-sided tape all around it and you take it up to the car and measure it. The splitter was easy to install. It came with self-tapping screws. You line it up, you center it. You don't have to drill your hole. You just put it, the two-sided tape sticks it. Just make sure you got it in the right spot. And you start drilling them bad boys up in there. They go in easy. They're self-tapping. For the life of me, I don't understand why the rest of the kit did not come with self-tapping screws, but I'll get to that later. Here, I had a bunch of extras, so I just made sure I spread the load across the front of the bumper. I drilled extra holes and they all went in real smooth. I have no issues with that. It did have a few gaps here and there, but overall wasn't too bad. I've been driving it, speeding, racing with no issues. This part here, you got to take off the rear wheels to put on the splash guard that butts up to the side splitters, and I suggest you put this part on here first because you have to align it with the other one. Again, everything's straightforward. It's just that this plastic is so hard. So it tells you what type of, what size drill bit you need. I had to go get it because it's a weird size drill bit. So I have a pack of drill bits, didn't have the right size, so I had to go freaking Home Depot. Come back, do that, drill it, and as you drill, unless you're some robot, you can't drill the holes in super straight. So of course the screw is gonna sometimes go in at an angle, but you want it to go straight. So you do what you have to do, but it's hard to screw in. The plastic is freaking hard, man, and you can't do it with a battery powered screwdriver because you're gonna strip the thing. So you have to just do this by hand. It takes some time, takes some determination, but you can do it. That was really my only beef or gripe that I had with doing the rest of the kit, especially the side splitter and everything like that. It's just hard to put them screws in there. Here, I just left a few out because, man, let me tell you, there's too much. I've been speeding, racing, doing everything, and they hold true. Nothing wrong with them to date. They've been on, 2 months now? And no issues. They're strong. Here I am describing what you have to do to put the rear spoiler on. You have to take out all your tail lights. It's real easy. It's a little, 3mm torque nut. I don't know. Find out yourself. It's up there. Take that off. take them out, and find the little nuts that go to the brake light. Take those off, easy. Mine wouldn't just pop out, so I use this little weight to go through there and just gently hit the brake light out of there. Then once that's finished, you have to transfer these bolts to the spoiler. The Extreme Online spoiler comes with a spot where you can pop out the brake light from your brake light from your old little mount and put it into the slot that comes on the Extreme Online splitter. This part right here, what I did was I put down the painter's tape across the back. I put like paint on the bolts of the wing where I wanted to mount it, and then I pushed it down and kind of tightened it a little bit just to leave little holes, and it works good like that. So it left little holes that I could see where I wanted to drill. I did that about 3-4 times just to make sure that I had the holes right, and then the rest of it you just have to commit to drilling in your car. Once you do that, pretty easy. Peel the tape back off, and then you have to. It's difficult again to find the hole, put it in. It just takes time. Use the force, and you can do it. Finished product. I think it looks good.